Very good afternoon to everybody present for today for the program Industry Internship Bridging the Gap Between Academia and Industry. Once again, a very good afternoon to all. The Sinhagar Technical Education Society, Sinhagar Institute of Technology, Lonavala, Career Counseling Center presents the Industry Internship Bridging the Gap Between Academia and Industry in association with easemysalon.com. Welcome all the respected dear students, faculty members, respected Vice Principal Sir Dr. D.D. Chaudhary Sir and Head of the Department Electronics and Telecommunication Department, Career Counseling Center Head Professor Mayur Raut Sir, Coordinator for the program Professor P.R. D.K. Sir, Resource person for today's talk Mr. Saurabh Kumar, CEO and co-founder easemysalon.com. Resource person second for today's program, Mr. Mayur Borkar, CIE and CIM of easemysalon.com. Let's start the program with Saraswati Vandana. Ya Kunendu Tushar Har Bhavala Ya Shubhra Vastravrata Ya Viya Varadanta Mandit Para Ya Shveta Padmasana Ya Brahma Chitta Shankara Prabhutavaki Devaki Sada Vandita Samam Patu Saraswati Bhagavati Nishesha Jarapahati Om Saraswati Namaha. With the beautiful Saraswati Vandana. Now we'll start for the program, and I would like to hand over for the program to Professor Mayur Raut. And let's welcome Professor Mayur Raut sir with beautiful bouquets on behalf of Srinagar Institute of Technology as a token of love and respect from complete SIT family. Thank you. Over to you, sir.
Good afternoon to everyone. Respected Campus Director Dr. M.S. Gaikwad sir, Vice Principal Dr. D.D. Chaudhary sir, today's Coordinator Professor P.R. D.K. sir, and today's speakers Saurabh Kumar, CEO and co-founder of easemysalon, and Mayur Borkar, CIE of easemysalon.com. It feels an immense pleasure for me that two of our alumni, Mayur Borkar and Saurabh Kumar, they are coming along with us and they are sharing their experiences of their industry and internship with us for all the students. Now, one of the students, they are forming an industry and that is blooming in the beauty sectors as well as salon sectors. It's again a great achievement for not only them, but it's all the complete STS family. And as an alumni, we are also proud that the two fellow students of who were sitting on the benches of SIT Lonavala, they are now becoming CEO as well as CIE and etc. become post for the very big company. So I would like to congratulate these two alumni of our institute and welcome you all for this today's function. That's all from my side because we are short with the time. So I hand over to you.
So hello team, this is Saurabh Kumar. I am the CEO and co-founder of easemysalon.com. Before going ahead,
just a minute. We'll be now. I'll just be further. We'll move on for further program with Chaudhary sir, and then I'll be letting you to know, sir. So we will welcome and felicitate our Vice Principal sir, Dr. D.D. Chaudhary sir, with beautiful bouquets as a token of respect and love. Sir, are you there?
Thank you, madam. Am I audible?
Yeah, yes, clearly audible, please.
So once again, good afternoon, one and all. Today's our we can say proud alumni, Mr. Saurav Kumar, CEO and co-founder of the Is My Salon. Again, another alumni, proud alumni, Mr. Mayur Burkar, working as a CIE, Information Executive and Intern Manager in the same company. In addition to our respected principal, sir, on behalf of him and STES Lonavala, I welcome you all. Organizer of today's program, our career counseling center head, Mr. Mayur Raut sir, Yogini Raut madam, all head of the department, and my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to discuss with you on the topic on the internship. Definitely more detail will be given by Saurav Kumar. I wanted to add things is that for the third year, as you know, in at least in TE and TC, I think it may be for other departments also. Internship is added as a additional, we can say, subject in our curriculum. So you have to go for the very seriously with this internship. It is a part of your curriculum, and you will get 100 marks out of it. Since we have to add the 100 marks for this, am I audible, Mayur sir?
Yes, sir, you are audible. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are completely audible, sir.
So with this, since we have to evaluate for 100 marks, so definitely you people should go seriously with this internship activity. And as we have Mr. Saurav Kumar and other friends we have, so we can very well find out the good internships like this in mysalon.com or any other else wherever possible. And intention is that these two people will tell you about the importance of internship and how it can be bridge the gap between the academia and the industry. As the university also want to same thing that you student before going to the final year or final year project, you should go for the 3-4 months internship and to understand the concept of this and all that. In this internship, you have to understand how you can go for your final year project, or before that in third year in other branches, at least in ENTC, you have to go for a mini project. So you with this internship, you can get the subject for the internship, or the related to that you can get the some topic for the mini project, and that way it can be extended as a final year project also. So if you can properly choose the internship and if you seriously do it, then it will be helpful for you for your mini project also of third year and final year project also. So with this, if you do this good both the projects very well, and if you understand the concept, then definitely you can also not only get good placement, you can also think on your own startup. So Mr. Saurav Kumar has lot many potential, as I had discussed with him. So you people, those who are want to go for the internship, so they can seriously go for the understanding of the internship and lot many aspects of the startups and all that. So definitely, you people, if you do the this thing very well, that is seriously, if you do it, then what will happen that uh, your startup industry can be very well start, and the startup industry is not only for the your own job or your own, we can say, earning, but it can solve the purpose of all society. I mean, you can give the placements to our juniors, or not only that, to your family members. So it can be the good business as a family business, and startup can be your up to the lifetime project. I mean, if you do this job, you will have a limited income and limited time period up to 50, 60. You can do it, but business can be done up to the end of your life up to that, and you can give this flavor of the earning money and enjoy to your family and to society. So this is my intention. All my dear students, please go to through this internship program. Try to listen exactly what the people want to say. Go through the university program exactly what the university exactly want, so as to give the 100 marks to you. If the things changes, and if the external examiner will come, so external examiner should be able to give you the good marks for this internship, we can say, record. So try to prepare proper record right from starting of the communication with the industry, and then what work you have done, and what was the achievements and everything. So please prepare good report so that 100 marks term marks can be given, and go to the do your mini project, do your final project, properly, or otherwise go for the startup industry right from the third year, you can. And then by the time when you complete your final year, you can have the not only your job completion, but fulfillment, or you can have the job ready with you for the other people also. So you will not be job seeker, but you will be the job provider. So that we want. On that, lot many concept and we can say potential is having with Mr. Saurav Kumar. So please understand this concept very well. And with this, I hope you understand what is my intention, and I give you the best of luck for this internship program and your startup program. And really, I want to appreciate the Mr. Mayur sir for organizing such a nice program, important program for the student community. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Uh, it is said that dreams is not what you see in sleep, but it's the thing which doesn't let you sleep. This is a beautiful quote by APJ Abdul Kalam. And yes, surely. So today, as our two chief guests, that's Mr. Mayur Borkar and Mr. Saurabh Kumar, these both have definitely proved and made their dream coming true into success. So now our next, I would like to call and welcome today's chief guest, Mr. Mayur Borkar, CIE and CIM of easemysalon.com, and Mr. Saurabh Kumar, CEO and co-founder of easemysalon.com, with beautiful bouquet and as a token of love and respect from complete family. Eastman Salon is one of the emerging companies in salon and beauty cosmetic sector of India. And with this beautiful start, I would like to now invite Mr. Saurabh Kumar for further talk. So over to you, Saurabh.
Thank you so much. That was a really great introduction. I was thrived by it. Thank you so much, and I literally appreciate the effort which my alma mater, Singapore Institute of Technology, have taken in order to organize such kind of events, such kind of. And they have considered us also. We are fortunate enough to come into the college, organize such kind of events, and take cream material students for our application, our website, which is present in the market. With all due respect to Mr. Didi Chaudhary, sir, our Vice Principal, I'm literally grateful to you, sir, for providing us this stage, this platform. And again, Mr. Mayur, sir, you are a great source of inspiration for us, the whole Is My Salon team. We are always into contact with him for organizing such kind of events and all for the people, those who are in third and fourth year. And let me just introduce myself and the whole team of Easy Salon to you. So see, and when I start my conversation, there is one thing which will be required from my end is I just want this conversation to be one-on-one. I mean, the two-way communication, right? There shouldn't be one-way communication. There shouldn't be any kind of stuff which will feel like you guys are getting bored. If it is the case, please tell us. We will directly shut down this call, right? So, okay, going ahead, myself, Saurav Kumar, I am the CEO and co-founder of easemysalon.com. So basically, easemysalon.com is a company which is doing remarkably great job when it comes to the salon and spa sector, problems. We are solving it. We are solving it by the use of cutting edge technologies via our website, via our application, and how we are doing it. You'll be getting to know more about it in the later version of this talk. And alongside me, I'm having Chief Information Officer as well as Chief Internship Manager of our company, which is Mayur Borkar. So, Mayur, over to you. And guys, please listen to him carefully because we are going to organize the internship, which will not be paid. That means we will not be taking any kind of money from you guys. But there is a certain, scenarios. That is, we want the cream material. We will be taking some rounds. We will be teaching those guys, we will be training those guys in such a manner that the person those who will be joining our team, the person those who will be coming to our team, will be having a proficiency to create, to build anything from scratch, right from designing to the deployment to the production. Got my point? Because we believe in a cream materialistic stuff of learning. This is our approach. We believe that we can create the change. We believe that we can literally be the market leaders. We believe that we can be the billion-dollar startup. We can be the next unicorn of India. So with these words, Mr. Mayur, please go ahead. If there is something to let me know, we'll definitely sort it out for you. Mr. Mayur Poker, over to you, sir.
Yeah,
Please.
thank you, Saurav. Yeah, thank you, Miraj sir, for organizing this event. So, not wasting so much time, I will just share my screen and will show you the today's presentation. Okay. So, we are bringing you this internship program from ismasalon.com. So, I will just drive you through what Isma Salon does and what Isma Salon have done till now. Okay. So, ismasalon.com, as name says, we provide a online application and website where you can book our any of the salon at ease. What the importance of this whole application is that you know that when you go to the saloon there is you need to wait in line, in a queue, in a line, and it takes so much time. So what we are bringing this application to solve that problem. It will save your time as well as money. So currently, ismasalon.com, we have passed our phase one where we have multiple vendors with us from multiple locations, and there are base of vendors, there are base of happy customers who are in this pandemic situation also who are using these services. So our mission and vision are that we are planning. Our vision is that we aspire that we will get a number of customers, number of vendors, that we will be a market leader by 2024. That's our vision. And what our mission is that we will provide you a such kind of experience through this application that you will be always using this application to book a salon. We are using a latest cutting edge technology. We are using latest tags. Uh, Everything you will learn in this internship program, everything you will do, you will work on a real-time project. Whatever contributions you will make to this ismasalon.com will be in a real-time project. So this is the perfect opportunity for you too, and this is also perfect opportunity for us that we will get a great talent that can work with us and achieve our vision that we are seeing in the next 1 year. Okay. So what we are offering in this internship program, that you can see that we working with us, you can learn a full stack web development and also mobile application development. Okay. So for full stack web development, we have industry experts who are currently IT experts who are have a deep knowledge in these concepts for full stack web development. What you will learn of full stack web development in MERN stack with the Next.js, and also you will be learning the latest technology Flutter in mobile application development. Flutter, if you know about it, it's developed by Google, so it's the leading mobile application development framework, and all the companies, all the startups who are now using applications, whose applications are deployed, they are now changing it to the Flutter. So we are also having this stack that you will learn in this internship. Over to the Saurav, he will explain you what the program offers to you. Over to you, sir.
So much, Mayur. Thank you so much for clarifying the whole concept of internship about easemysalon.com, which is going to provide to the students. I hope it is clear till now. Is there any doubt? Is there any questions from anybody? Is there any questions from the audiences? If it is there, you can directly go ahead. Then I'll just move forward, because we have very less amount of time. We have lots of bunch of tasks to do. So if there it is, please do let us know. We will clarify. We will try to clarify each and everything right here, right now. Okay, so this silence means that we are good to go ahead. So Mayur, can you please go to the previous slide? Thank you. So basically the tools and ID which you will be getting a good knowledge about is Git, GitHub, VS Code, Android Studio. What is it? Git is something where you are going to put down your codes. Whatever you will be developing, you will be simply keeping your code over there, right? for the easy access of the teammates, the team through which you will be working, the team alongside with you will be working. Good. Languages is going to be JavaScript, TypeScript, ES6. ES6 is basically ECMAScript 6, and Material UI. Material UI is basically the like CSS stuff. So basically, these are the things which you will be getting to know in detail when you will be going to the like internship, when we like opting for this internship, when you will be getting selected for this internship. I'm just focusing, I'm just stretching the point. Internship here is the reason behind it. In the industry right now, if you'll be searching anywhere, the developers, the testers, they are getting paid ever in the history of India. They are getting paid highly ever they have ever got the payment in the history of India. Cool. So this is the technology which we are particularly using for our application, for our website, for our business purpose, for our business model, basically. And this particular stuff is teaching us a lot. Even we started, we were not having the idea that we are going to use these kind of technologies. And we were totally new. As I'm from an ENTC department, I was totally new into the development sector. Cool. But when I started learning, it took hardly 10 to 15 days for me to understand the crux of it. And then there is a team of easemysalon.com, the brilliant team of easemysalon.com, which consists of a developer and an information officer like Mayur, a technology officer like Anubhav. Anubhav is one of the great resource of our team. And there are two more people with those who are in the core team, which is Parth was there, who was earlier, who is also one of the alumni of Seagate. And then there is Mr. Sudarshan Sinde. Mr. Sudarshan Sinde is also attached with us. He is a Next.js developer and developing. He has developed code for several startups in India. And right now he is working as the chief research and development officer of easemysalon.com. So he's having a great experience of Next.js technologies. Database, we are using Firebase. Firebase is a Google supported platform. So again, it's a cutting edge technology. It is going to rule the market. Mobile app, we are having Dart and its framework as Flutter, as Mayur have already explained to you. Right. Mayur, move to the next slide. So this internship program basically focuses towards your overall development income when it comes to the technical and as well as the behavioral stack. Okay. So the benefit is going to be the selected candidates will get to know the exact work culture of the industry. The internship certification will be provided on successful completion of the training and minimum mandatory day of work served. So we are having some barriers which you need to crack. We are having some barriers which you need to serve. Basically, it's a learning period. It's not like a barrier thing. Basically, it's a learning experience. So, coding is like drugs. Making companies like drugs. When you start doing it, you will be feeling the exact happiness of it. When we're starting to do these things, it's a pure drugs, man. It's a pure addiction. If you'll be addicted to the coding, if you'll be addicted to the industry work culture, if you'll be addicted to making something which is impacting the day-to-day life of the people, you will be thrived by that experience. So it's the full-time intern, and the selection process goes like, for initial 15 days, training will be provided with a modular approach. So in the training, we'll be teaching you each and everything. The training will last for around 3 hours per day, okay? In which Sunday is a holiday for you. Sunday, you can take a holiday. It's totally up to you. So 3 hours of internship will be there. So it is not going to hamper 3 hours of, like modular approach training is going to be there, which will not hamper your academics. It's totally up to you. If you want to continue with your academics while doing the internship, it's totally up to you. If you do not want to opt for the academics, it is also provided by the university. Your university provides us the leverage. You can go for the 45 days of mandatory training for 8. Then in that case, you will have to serve 8 hours daily mandatory. Okay. Third thing, mandatory work days. So after the training, after the successful completion of the training, the minimum mandatory work day off is 30 days. So minimum 30 days you will have to work alongside us. You will have to taste the flavor of how Ease My Salon industry works. You will have to taste the flavor of how our team works. You will have to, and you will be liking it for sure. Trust me, if you will be selected, because the people, those who are interested to learn, will be going to be, they are going to be one of the future pillar of easemysalon.com. After 45 days, If the opportunity seems to be exciting for the candidate, he and she can be choose to continue as the intern. Okay, Mayur, can you please like increase the slide size? I just don't know, like.
This is the maximum.
Okay, okay, not an issue. So after the 45 days of that training period or internship period, which is mandatory, if the opportunity seems exciting for you guys, if you are learning a lot, if you think that easemysalon.com is providing you the opportunity where you are flourishing your career in a very rightly managed direction, you can opt to still be with us. And this one will be paid. We will be paying you. Okay. We will be paying you. After 45 days, if you will be staying with us, we have a culture, we have a modular approach, and the earning will be like the candidate who is willing to spend more than 45 days will be having will having a chance to earn money on the modular wise completion of the task. So here in the note it is written that billing will be done as per industry standard, that is hourly basis. So we will be deciding that there is a task which easemysalon.com's team thinks that should be completed in 8 to 10 hours. It is up to you. If you'll be completing then on hourly basis, as all the people get payment in the IT industry, you'll be getting paid for sure. Mayur, to the next slide. So the perks of internship is going to be, as I have already discussed this with you, but still, like again, I'm discussing it with you. Internship completion certificate, which is mandatory as per the government norms. Flexible work hours, as I've already told you. If you wish to continue with your academics, you can. If you wish to completely dedicate yourself as a full timer, it is totally up to you. It is totally up to the college allowances. Okay. Chance to earn money on the module wise completion of task, as I've already discussed with you. And this is the most thriving part. The candidate who will stay more than at least 6 months in this internship. If someone who is willing to stay here for at least 6 months, we assure that the candidate will be technically sound enough to crack the interview of any of the IT company with a good package. Because I believe, being the founder, being one of the core founder of easemysalon.com, I particularly believe in my team's approach that we are having such kind of approach where we are making you work and working alongside you. Like we are not simply asking to the like work from you. We will be working alongside you. I will be sitting with you. I'll be doing all the codes. My team will sit with you. My team will do all the codes. You will have to understand and you will have to do codings alongside with us. Okay. And if you will be doing such kind of stuff, you will be following this like procedure for 6 months. Everybody is assured, I am assured that you will be getting a great package. You will be getting a very great package. Okay. So, and if you are getting a package which is equal to 5.5 LPA or more than that, Ease Mass Salon shall reward that candidate with goodies such as cell phones, headphones, etc. If you'll be getting 5.5 LPA in your campus selection for any other company, we will be giving you a cell phone in the gift and a headphone in a gift and stuffs like that. And we will try to retain you if it is possible as per the budget suggest us that if someone is getting 5.5 LPA somewhere else, Ease Mass alone will try to hire that candidate with the same package. Got it. We will not take any interviews from you. We will not take any aptitude round for you. If you are getting selected in any of the companies, that means you are worth of going there. That means you have clearly enjoyed the services which Ease My Salon has provided you, being the intern. You have learned it, you have applied it, and you have successfully remarked it. You have successfully completed it, and that's why it gives us the immense pleasure to retain you as one of the full timers in easemysalon.com. So this internship is for TE as well as the BE students, Bachelor of Engineering and Bachelor of Engineering from Seeger Institute of Technology. And we are going to hire at max 5 to 10 candidates, not more than that, because we are not here to make money from you guys. We are here to make you learn what we believe that can change your career, right? Is there any question? Is there any question from your side, guys? See, I'm not very older than you. I completed my engineering in 2019. Many of you would have seen me. If someone is there who is from fourth year, they would have seen me for sure in the college, if I'm not wrong. But if you have not seen me, then also it's totally completely fine, man. you can just like no, if you do have any questions, you can ask me, and then we shall carry on towards how the selection procedure will go like. Guys, quick, because I simply I'm running out of time. Please, your voice is cutting. Your voice is not coming clear. Who's this? Hello, are we good?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Continue.
Yeah, hello.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Who's this?
Yes. It's Arpita here. So I want to ask that for training period, we also don't need to pay any fees, right?
No, not at all, man. Not at all. If you are getting selected, that means you are a green material. Why you need to pay? You will simply be learning. You will simply be getting the internship. You don't have to pay a single penny to easemysalon.com at any cost, any time in your life. Yeah, only once you will be using our services by booking the application, then you will have to pay. Not after that, you
Okay.
don't have to pay for internships and all. Yeah. Does it seems
One more,
exciting?
one
Yeah.
more question, sir.
Yeah.
If the student gets selected in the selection process, so what are the machines necessary for the continuation of internship? Is it necessary to have a laptop on your own or something else?
Yeah. A laptop would be required. Laptop would be required because you will be making applications which will be directly impacting the life of the people. You will be making like, see, there is a thing that let me just clear it in front of you. The thing is, whatever you will be making is not going to be a dummy thing. It is going to be launched in the market in front of your eyes. Whatever you will be making, trust me, we have a modular approach. We have already done this before in the like no past. Whatever you will be making is going directly into the production. So you will be far ahead into your career when you will be compare yourself with your friends, those who are going to the internships where they are not getting a chance to explore themselves in such areas. So it's like the thing which is already I have the thing which I have already discussed with you, right? So a laptop would be required, man, for sure.
Excuse me, sir. Good afternoon.
Anything
Hello.
else?
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. Can you hear? Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello,
Was
sir.
it
Can you hear?
exciting? Was the idea of easemysalon.com was exciting? Were we clear? The whole team of easemysalon.com, what we presented in front of you guys, were we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Clear.
Yes, sir. You were
I
clear.
have one question.
Hello, is
Hello, sir.
someone speaking because I cannot hear?
Yeah, maybe some issue with Saurav's end. Yes, you can ask the question. Yeah, I'm there.
Is
Okay,
someone
sir. Sir, I am
speaking?
from.
Hello.
Hello. Sir. I am from mechanical. So there must कुछ
Your
कोर्स करने
voice
की
is not
जरूरत है क्या
coming
इंटर्नशिप के
properly.
लिए?
Your voice is not coming.
Sir, now can you hear? It's a range problem, sir. Sorry.
Uh,
Hello.
Yes. You are audible. You can ask the question.
Sir. I am from mechanical. So is there मतलब मैकेनिकल के लिए भी है ना इंटर्नशिप?
Yes. This is for
मैकेनिकल कैन
means
अप्लाई और
yes, you can apply. See, it's totally depends on a selection process. We will be getting your resumes and we will be shortlisting on your resumes only. So you can apply. You can apply and you can participate in the selection process. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay. And sir, what is the basic requirement for your internship? I mean, C language or Java language like that.
Any of the language. See, this is how means what is the main requirement is the DSA that we require a problem solver. Okay. So whichever language you are comfortable with, what we require is a problem solver. Okay. So
See,
if you can,
because we are already going to give you the training, right? So if you don't know anything and if you still want to learn, then also you can apply. It's not an issue. But if you will not be completing the task, you will not be getting the certification, because see, we are not charging any money, right? We are just making you learn, correct? It's completely upon your wish. It's completely upon your, what I should say, interest. If you'll be taking interest, you will be learning and you will be completing, because our team is always there to help you. Cool. So I just hope that I was clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're most welcome. आप में से कितने लोग ऐसे हैं जिनको ये लगा कि EMS का प्रेजेंटेशन था वो बेहतर था, it was nice, it is a good platform to start your career with? How many of you think that? We want a genuine reply, man. Okay. Cool. Cool. That's great. That's really great. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. Even if it's one guy, I'm completely okay with it, because when I started this company, I was single. I was alone. Okay. And after starting this, I got to know a lot of people. Those who are my backbone. The team is my motivation. EaseMySalon.com is my motivation. The whole team, including each and every member, including my interns, including my mentors, including my people in the industry, they are my everything. Nothing else. So I'm really happy that you guys are interested in this, and we will try to place as much as we can. But there is a cap. There is a certain cap which we need to follow. We seriously want only 4 to 5 guys from T and only 4 to 5 guys from B. So it's not that if you're from mechanical, you cannot apply for it. It's just that if you have a keen desire to learn, you can apply for it. And guess what? We are not going to have any, fascinating, like you can say the hiring procedure. Okay, our hiring procedure is going to be also very unique. Maybe you will love it. We will be giving you the topic. You will be learning it. Then you will be coming, and then you will be getting interviewed. It's very simple. Okay.
Hello, sir.
So
Excuse me.
the ball is in your court. Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Hello. Huh.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Sir,
Go ahead.
is prior knowledge of DSA is welcome at your end?
It's more than welcome. If it is there, it's more than welcome. Trust me. If we are having a prior knowledge of DSA, it is more than welcome. If you are not having a prior knowledge of DSA, and if you are promising to learn it, if you are promising to dedicate some hours to it, you are still welcome in our team.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You're most welcome. So is there anyone else, those who have any questions? Because we shall be winding up the session soon. And if we will be launching our venture in the Pune, will you use it? If easemysalon.com will be launched in Pune, will you use it? See, we will be providing you lots of opportunity. Like you can book salons in Javed Habib, you can book salons in Tony and I, you can book salons in a salon which can serve you in 30 rupees also. So we are having each and every segment. Like, you use it. Is it a good way? Is it a good like technique? In anyone, like what you have got, like impression of easemysalon.com inside your mind, what it is, how does it functions, and what problems exactly we are solving. Anyone? Those who have got any idea about what we have just delivered here? Anyone can answer. Hello? Hello? I think someone
Yes,
is trying to speak.
it is a completely unique. It is a completely unique, and you are solving the problems in these modern times related to COVID, and people are facing many problems going outside. So your startup is very unique.
Thank you so much, whoever it was. I really appreciate the way you've spoken up. But trust me, When you say unique, please consider that it is really unique. We are not the second, urban company or urban club. Our business model is completely different than them. We are actually having the connection with the salons present in the market. We are not having our own in-house team. We are collaborating with the salons, and we are providing you a chance to book your appointment at that salon at your specific point of time, or else you can book the services directly to your home. Okay, and the future forecasting is we are going to evolve with a pick and drop services also very soon, for which we are having talks going on with the different companies like Rapido and all in our area. So our business model is totally different. If someone from you, if suppose if Hari is there, I can read the name of Hari is there. Suppose Hari loves to go to Javed Habib, okay, every time. And if he wants to get service from Javed Habib at his own wish of time, at his own choice of time, he literally do not have to wait in the line for it. If he'll be going to Javed Habib, taking a service at 4:45 p.m., if Hari is reaching out there, Hari will be getting his services started by 4:46 at max. And if at any cost, suppose Hari is not getting his services started at 5 p.m., we are assuring you 100% cash back. So this unique our idea is. We literally do not want you to wait in the long waiting queues of salon and do not get frustrated, right? Is it okay? Does it pictures a clear idea of our startup in your head?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, we got it.
Cool, cool. That's awesome. That's pretty awesome. So, is there anything else which you guys want to know, or shall I directly? I just have one or two things to say, and then we'll wind up.
Sir, is there any mail or group so that we can contact you later also?
You can always reach out to me at sauravkumar@ismysalon.com. It's always open to you guys. So I just don't know. The chat section is not available for me. I just want to ping it over there. Mm. Sir, is there any possibility so that I can ping in the chat?
Chat is there, but I think for this is for only for the person who is having the actual code
Okay,
regarding the
okay,
qualifier, right? So it will not be
okay,
available.
okay,
For other
okay,
student, it is available. Yeah. You can send it to me. I will
okay,
send
okay.
it to the other students.
Yeah,
Whatever
yeah,
the
sure, sure, sure,
students
sure.
are
Not an issue.
number.
Not an issue. Not an issue. So yeah, for applying to the internship, there will be a QR code which Mr. Mayur will be sharing with you guys. Okay, and you have to scan that QR code. That you are, yeah, this is the QR code. And just give me a moment. Like start scanning it after 5 p.m. I guess because we need to like do some changes in that. And once this will be done, so let me just tell you the date also. 16th of January is the last date for scanning this. 16th of January, 11:59 p.m. is the last time I have already told you. Any entry after like 16th January will not be entertained. So those who will be like appearing for it, those who want to appear for the internship procedure, you have to mandatorily fill this Google form within that time span only. You have to have your resume ready. Your resume is a major part which tells us about yourself. Okay. And apart from that, we'll be communicating you post that. Please fill your exact information, what you want to fill. Please fill your exact mobile numbers. That's a common technique of ours to reach out to you guys. Your email should be correct. That is the proper point of validations. So please take it in consideration. So after 5 p.m. from like today onwards till 16th of January 2020, 2022. Sorry. Is it okay? Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Cool. So how many of you want to get selected in Age by Salon's internship? Just give me a cheer. आप में से कितनों को चाहिए internship ismysalon.com की?
I want it.
Cool. Cool. That's great. That's great. Looks like you guys are interesting. Looks like you guys are taking interest into ismysalon.com thing. So we are going to welcome you guys very soon. We are going to welcome the team very soon. We are going to have our candidates. We are the candidates, those who are front of us are going to be one of the major pillars in the coming future for useMySalon.com. So guys, all the very best for the internship procedure, all the very best for the selection procedure. Apart from each and everything, if you guys want to reach out to, anybody from Ease My Salon's team for internship related stuff, you can directly contact to our Chief Information Officer, Mr. Mayur Borkar. And rest of that, Mr. Mayur Raut sir is going to tell you guys later on in details. So thank you so much for having me here. Thank you so much for having Ease My Salon's team here. And we were really fortunate enough to have a communication with you guys. So thanks a lot, guys. And have a great day ahead. Take care.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
all of you have taken the screenshot.
Have you all taken the screenshot of that QR code? Or Mayur, we can do one thing. We basically just share the screenshot, that actually picture with Mayur sir, and then we can pass it on to the people.
Okay, sure.
And if somehow you guys are not able to scan the QR code, there is the Google Form link also. Link will also be provided to you. But for the safer hand, please go for the QR code scanning. Okay. So thank you, guys.
So you need the permission for that form.
What permission you need? What does it exactly say?
Yes, sir. You can, Saurav, Mayur, you can send me the QR code,
Yes,
the
sir.
link, everything. I will directly share with the students' WhatsApp group, so they can directly contact.
Sure.
That will be very easier.
Cool. That sounds great.
So DK sir is there in the meeting.
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Hi, sir. How are you?
Yes.
Fine. How are you?
Yes.
Yeah,
First of all, I
okay.
would like
Good
to
evening.
thank Saurabh Kumar and Mayur Borkar for giving a very beautiful presentation regarding Use My Salon and .com and etc. and telling regarding internship and etc. to all the students. And whatever the links and everything, I will be sharing with you on all the groups. You can contact to concerned CEO, CTO, etc. and then you can get the internship from this company. Right. Now, thank you very much for joining. And now I'd like to ask Prashant DK sir, a mini project and internship coordinator, NTC department. I welcome sir with the help of bouquet. And I ask Prashant DK sir, please to give vote of thanks to the today's session.
Yeah, thank you, Mayur, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible. Please.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. So, on the behalf of Department of ENTC and Siaga Institute of Technology, Lonavala, I, Professor Prashant DK, very much thankful to Saurabh Kumar and for giving the valuable information regarding the internship. And as far as the curriculum of ENTC is concerned, we have the internship of 100 marks. We have the term work of 100 marks. And I'm also proud to have these two alumni with us, and they have shared their valuable information and time also. So I am really thankful to both of you. Thank you, Saurabh and Mayu. Thank you very much.
Most welcome,
Definitely,
sir. Thank you.
yes, whatever you have shared, definitely it will be helpful for our students. And I am also thankful to our respected Principal Dr. M.S. Gaikwad sir, for their motivation. I'm also thankful to Vice Principal Dr. D.D. Chaudhary sir, always gives the motivation to all the faculty and the students. Thank you, Chaudhary sir, and also thankful to all the students for their patience listening. So thank you all, and with the permission of Chaudhary sir, I will. Yes, Mayur sir, can we
I
change
think sir is there.
program?
Yes, sir, we can end up our today's session.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes. Thank you all.
Yes. Students can, whatever they are having the lecture and everything, they can go and whatever internship programs or the placement talks they are having, they can continue with that. Thank you very much. So the session is completed.